Welcome back to the Class Winners Workshop. I'm Car Guy in Chief Sam Barra, and I got a question for you. How are cars like people? Well, the answer is pretty simple. The older they get, the more they leak. And this is the case with this 1981 Corvette we got. And in fact, if you've got a vintage vehicle with a GM turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, chances are you probably have this problem too. A little bit of a leak. Now, in some cases, like in this one, it may be leaking from multiple places, and it was a pretty sizable leak. So not only have we replaced the automatic transmission pan gasket, but we found that after cleaning everything off, we still have a shift shaft seal leak. Say that phrase 3 times fast. But if you have a turbo 350 and you have a shift shaft seal leak, here's your solution. For 15 bucks on Amazon, it's in this little package. Not only a tool to remove the seal and a tool to install the new seal, but the new seal itself. And it's really simple to use. So let me show you how to do it. So you don't need a lift to perform this task, but it does make it a lot simpler. So all we really need to do is pull off this arm to get access to the seal itself. So let's get that done. All right, we've got the 5/8 bolt that we need to get out, so let's go ahead and do that. It's a little tight in here, but you can do it. Okay, now let's get this cotter pin out so we can pull away the actual linkage. Now we just have to get this bracket off. So now we take our removal tool and we put it over the shaft and put this threaded part towards the seal. Now you're going to have to clean that seal off to make sure that there's no gunk and debris keeping it from biting in. And because there's not much room there, you might have to use a little creativity to get some pressure on the shaft so it'll bite in. All right, I think we got it in. Now all we need to do is turn this bolt, which is a 9/16, and hopefully it'll push the whole thing out. And it's bringing the seal out. Look at that. And there it is. So now all we need to do is put the new seal in. All right, so here is our new seal and our driver tool, which of course has a hole in the side for the shaft. So we're going to put the seal over the shaft and walk it into place to make sure that the seal lip doesn't get trapped and rolled over. So put it into place, make sure that it doesn't get bound up, doesn't fold over. Once it's in place, you can put your removal or driving tool there. Oops. And simply use some force to drive her home. Now we just got to put this on. Remember, it's keyed, so put the flat areas where it's supposed to go, and it should just slide right back on. and put that pin on. Then we'll put our cotter pin on, and we'll put our bolt on, and we'll be done. So there you go, mission complete. We have the 81 Corvette shift shaft seal replaced. So from the workshop, I'm Sam Baer, car guy in chief, reminding you that life's too short for ordinary cars, and it's certainly too short to have a leaky Turbo 350 shift shaft seal when you can fix it for a little bit of time and really not much money at all.